Hello everybody, my name is Oyele Olawale and today we are trying to talk about how deleting the git from your project will not delete your project. Okay, it has a consequences, of course, that's its consequences, but it's not going to delete anything in that project. It's just going to delete one, the history of that project, the history of your Git code, your Git repository, or your commits, or your branches, or the tags. Once you delete it, you're going to lose all those information locally. That is the one on your system. That's the one you're losing. Okay. Again, it is not your file. The one the Git actually created for you. Remember, you're only deleting the .git folder. Don't forget. Now, untracked changes also, if you know, once it's removed, of course, Git will no longer be able to track everything, all these changes that is going to be saying. Maybe you made one change or two changes or three changes that needed to be committed before you are actually end up pushing it to your repository on GitHub. It will no longer track anything. I think it is that time when you don't have a Git folder, when it's going to be giving you this I think there is this error that whenever you try to run a Git that does not have what is it called? I mean, a folder that does not have a Git, you want to check the Git status, it's going to tell you that fatal error. What is it called? There is no Git repository for that sort of folder. Now, this is what you're going to get. You understand, internally. It's just locally anyway. Of course, any changes that existed in other branches besides the currently checked out branch will be lost locally because those changes are only stored in the Git folder. Quote, anything that is within the Git folder is the one that is going to be lost. Exactly. And we are going to try and prove this because I have a folder that I created just for this purpose. And cd no, let's just look at list. Let's list. I love the lists ls. I don't even use the ls minus a. Just ls for me. Just show me all the folder on my all the files on this folder as fast as possible. I don't know why is it taking so long. It's not this. It's never this slow. I don't know why it's doing that. Something is off somewhere. It's not this slow. Now I ended up getting why it was a little bit slow. It was because there were two git bash that were open at the same time, which I never knew it was an error. Pardon my mistake. Okay. Anyways, now I created a folder in my desktop. Let's say here it's still loading. Yeah, cd desktop. I think desktop. So I go to the desktop and I'm actually looking for ls. It should be I created a folder and look at the folder here, delete git folder. You see, so let's look at cd and delete git, I just press tab, delete git, I press enter, and you will see the files that I actually added in the delete git folder. Let's see, let's look at them, and you see you have some mp4 messaging, FB image, there's an image, there's another image, there is a superzonal invitational regulation, there is Nigerian chess rating, there is another image, there is testing 123.doc. So these are the files that are in this folder called delete git. Okay, and now the very first thing that we all know, that if we're going to check the git status, and git status is going to tell us right now that, sorry, fatal, not a git repository or any of the parent directories.git. So you see, so you know that there is no git running on this folder at the moment. So the very first thing we do is just the git, init. We'll run the git and let's see what's going to happen. Right now, git init initializes it immediately. And now this folder deletes git. By the time this git init is done, it will realize that right now that folder now has a git, and everything that happens within the folder can obviously be tracked. It has been initialized. So if you look at the git status right now again, you will see it's going to give us that well, you see, these are these files that have been that is there and is not yet tracked until we start committing them. Do you understand? Master, whatever, everything is there. Quite all right. Now, this is the part where we're going to try to delete this git, right? This is what we're going to do. We want to remove the git now from this. What I'm saying is, please don't track this folder anymore. And let us see if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, these 7 files, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these 6 files, let us see if any of them will be deleted. Let us confirm. It's very simple. And we know what to do in order to delete this. Now, in order to delete this this wonderful Git from this folder, all we need to do is just type rm rf minus rf, sorry, yes, oh sorry, rm minus rf, then .git. Please remove everything, remove by force everything there which is regarding the .git, and we press enter, and let's see what's going to happen. Good, and finally it has deleted. Yes, it has deleted the Git. So right now that we've realized that the Git has been deleted completely from the folder, now let's check again. Let's check our list. Let's check all the files in this folder to confirm if it was indeed deleted or not. Let's list everything. Let's see. Can you see all those files are still intact? Still intact. Okay, let us check the Git status. Maybe it's still working. Git status back to normal. So thank you very much. This clearly proves to you that if you delete Git using rm minus rf.git, it does not affect any of your files. Thank you very much. Bye for now.